What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. This is Terry. Alright, this sighting took place on September 21st, 2012, and it happened in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. And it also happened close to the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. Now, the Oak Ridge National Laboratory is an American multi-program science technological national laboratory. It's sponsored by the U.S. Department of Energy and administrated, managed and operated by UT-Batali as a federal-funded research and development center. And it's also under contract with the Department of Energy, DOE. So I'm thinking the Oak Ridge Laboratory has something to do with whatever this is. Maybe they're a test flight of a new aircraft. Maybe it's something to do with the TR-3B. I don't know. I just know that it's strange.
What the hell is that?
At first glance, we're all thinking drones. But if you notice the size of the street lights, and then you notice the size of the lights that are in the sky, they're pretty close to the same size. Now that'll make for a pretty large drone. What do you guys believe that this is? I'm not screaming aliens or alien crafts. Maybe some kind of test flight of some kind of secret craft that the Oak Ridge National Laboratory was experimenting with. I don't know. You decide. Alright guys, thanks for watching Terry's Theories. Like and subscribe. Terry out.
I don't even know what that is. Looks like lanterns or something. They're all independent. There's more of them. They seem some are going faster than others. I have no freaking idea what that